Today, amidst phenomenal growth of professional education in India, Odisha stands out as an academic hub for showcasing some of the front-ranking technical colleges. Silicon Institute of Technology, Sambalpur, widely known as Silicon West, has carved out a niche position for itself by attracting students from Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and even Punjab. This has been made possible by dint of superb infrastructural strength, forward-looking curricula, and robust grooming process. On this potential backdrop, Silicon West nurtures a tradition of excellence in gearing up the placement opportunities and harnessing employability.
We started Silicon Institute of Technology, Sambalpur in the year 2009 to provide core engineering branches at Western Odisha. We expect this institute in few years' time to be one of the best as far as the core engineering is concerned. And our focus is more on mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering. Whoever prefers to study in Silicon, in these core engineering branches, they would be studying at our Sambalpur campus.
The visionaries behind this trend-setting institution have relentlessly championed the cause of quality learning and fair process of placement.
The Silicon Institute of Technology is famous for its good academic standards, well-equipped laboratories and library, clean examination system, good and separate hostels for boys and girls inside a campus which is in eco-friendly environment and away from the din and bustle of the city life. Here the students get ample opportunity to develop their personality as well as their hobbies.
Silicon West provides an advanced language and English communication lab that prepares the future engineers with impeccable soft skills. It also imparts hand-holding support through a platform comprising of GDPIs, mock tests, verbal ability, and phonetic modular practices, etc., backed by the impressionable changes. The students of the Silicon West have excelled in various recruitment drives by several multinational companies.
In both the campuses, our Bhubaneswar campus and in Sambalpur campus, our culture is to teach and tell the student how to take decision and also to teach how to attack unknown problems. What we wanted to train our youngsters to become a better engineering graduates. So everything depends on how you teach and how you make them understand and how you guide them for the future prospects.
The job of the IS cell is basically to make the students corporate ready through different programs like GD, PIs, trainings, pre-placement trainings. We also make them ready for aptitude tests, reasoning and such other employability skills.
The civil engineering students, on completion of their graduation, are likely to bag excellent industry-driven opportunities like structural engineers for roads, bridges and building, geotech engineers, transportation and environmental engineers. Advanced equipments like total stations have been competitive advantage to this department. Similarly, computer science students can explore opportunities like database management, programming software, application developer, software testing, and web designing and networking, etc.
Recently, I am placed in Wipro, and for it, we were given training. That's called PPT, pre-placement training. Here, all the activities are carried out which is required for our campus life, just like JD, then written test, then mock interviews, online test and all that.
From the last 2 years I have been trained for the placements, and the training classes, the things which are related to placements. I have been trained according to that, and I have been given opportunities in companies like Infosys, Wipro. I have been placed at Wipro as well as Retailon.
I've been placed in two companies. First is Retailon and second is Wipro, and it was a really an awesome experience.
The students at Mechanical Engineering will be the future action leaders through harping upon creative ideas in automotive and aviation engineering, production engineering, air conditioning, simulation and plant commissioning, etc.
The education system over here is top notch, and all the thing that matters like to get into the company, like GD, PI sessions, the aptitude, the reasoning and all the practices, and we also practice it online. We give online exam so that we meticulously read ourselves. We know how valuable we have become. The students are so eager that among themselves they make a group, and this group they practice their own GD sessions, and if somebody is good in aptitude, he starts teaching aptitude and other lessons, and likewise every field is covered over here.
I have been placed in Tech Mahindra. It was a very good experience, and I thank to my college department, our management department, for doing such kind of placement for us, and they are very helpful. They are arranging regular PPT classes for us.
Electrical Engineering Department at Silicon West boasts of critical specializations. Those equip the students to work for power generation, power plant commissioning and operation.
Top Indian MNCs like Tech Mahindra, Wipro, TCS, Infosys and Capgemini visit our college, and every student is given a chance to sit for the campus drive. Silicon also keeps in touch with the passed out students. Like this year only, it organized 2 to 3 campus drives for the passed out batch of 2010 and 2014. And at the end, if you are employable, it means you will be employed. If not today, then tomorrow.
I would like to say that the college played a very important part in helping me to get placed in this Wipro. They organize these PPT classes to get ourselves accustomed in the various reasoning, aptitude and English portions, and also interview and many other aspects.
Various IT giants like Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, Retailon visit Silicon campus, in which all the students are allowed to sit. I myself got placed in 2 campuses thanks to Silicon.
The Electronics and Communication Engineering Department at Silicon West makes the students industry ready by offering new age specializations in communications, VLSI, embedded system, instrumentation and control, etc.
I'm placed in Tech Mahindra in 24 October 2014. I find that Silicon West is something which helped me a lot in the placement.
I am placed at Infosys as well as Wipro, two big, very renowned MNCs known worldwide. Behind this phenomenal success of mine, I would like to give credit to our college, the preparation methods they take, our faculties, the great library that we are having in our college.
We try to address the needs of the students. Like some need a rigorous training in communication, some need training in reasoning and aptitude tests. So basically we address individual interests of students, individual requirements of students, and towards the final year we make it a plan that they are given regular classes, regular training programs, so that they participate in the drives that we organize. The multinational companies cannot fly down to Sambalpur as we do not have a flight accessibility here. So we make it a point that they come beforehand and address us as a pre-placement talk, and we make it a point sure that our students go to Bhubaneswar campus with the proper coordination with the industry interface cell of Bhubaneswar Silicon, and both the campuses together, Silicon West as well as Silicon Hills, they come together and make an event, campus event, successful.
Except facilitating GATE coaching and mentoring, Silicon West has furthered 170 hours of extra coaching and over 100 hours of practicals. The unique faculty advisory system set on the backdrop of a vibrant campus life and eventful community culture has has brought laurels to Silicon West as the leading technical institution in western part of the state. It has endeared a large section of students by dint of its holistic endeavor towards promotion of world-class professional education. Today, it might have been reckoned as a name of fame in Odisha. Years to come, it will find a place of pride in the educational map of India and beyond.